gentlemen, off to Montreal, leaving Hamilton. It's about 12:22 on the Richter scale, and it looks like a mighty dark day out there, but we're going to Montreal. We shall see you there soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. Almost there. Son of. Yeah, I have the tiger, baby. Ready? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We finally made it to Montreal. There we are, the sign right there. We are here in the flesh, ready to rock and roll with you tomorrow night. Because tonight, we got a party. Alrighty, take care. And be safe. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at Dunn's Restaurant in Montreal, here with Ivan Duvnyak. Ivane, how's your food, buddy?
Very good, just as expected.
I love it. And what do we call this platter?
The smoked meat platter.
I think I love it. And I got the Riz au Montreal something. What do they call my plate?
The riz frit.
Riz frit. I love it. Looks good, looks juicy, looks yummy. I can't wait to dig in. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, live in Montreal. Eddie, how's it going? What are you saying, Herb? Good times, good times. Here we are at, where are we?
McGibbons.
McGibbons
Irish Pub.
Irish Pub.
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen.
There we are, ladies and gentlemen.
Montreal.
Looking shiny tonight.
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Irish Pub. Montreal.
Toma! Kajsadela. Bomo išli malo jesti. Oui, si vous plaît, du français. Let me serve them, ladies and gentlemen. Got a nice slide glass cover over the window. And, we're surviving. Somehow. And, we're at the Ruby Foos in Montreal, across the street from Big Orange. which I'll show you later. Not bad bathroom.
Yeah.
Tom, are we going out to eat, buddy? Get some food in that stomach? You haven't ate since Monday. Monday's okay. Of December or something. Let's get up. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, going to the Providence, La Belle La Providence Restauranto. Okay, here we are, breakfast place. We're hunting for some food, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully it's good. We're gonna test her out right by the Ruby Foos Hotel. Yeah. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at La Belle Province, Milan. And Tom, what did you order?
That's a gyro, not gyro, but gyro. I think it's beef. I haven't dug in yet because it's super hot for the touch.
Yes, sir. Here we are with some gyros, beef gyros, or gyros, or gyro.
Yeah, the cashier kind of upset.
Why?
Oh, gyro.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Well, here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Cool kind of looking place. I love it. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're feeling good. We're feeling refreshed at La Belle Province from Quebec. And there you have the big orange over there, ladies and gentlemen, which I think they serve probably orange juice and hot dogs. And this is right by our hotel called Ruby Foos. Ruby Foos, great hotel, and everything here is nearby. And we're around the block from where we have to play, so this is a good thing. All right, we'll check you out inside when we hit the lobby. Yes, but for a lot more of a price. Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Ruby Foos Hotel. This is the front, and soon we'll enter the lobby, which you got everything here. We got swimming pools, workout benches, everything. Nice bar, restaurant, cool design. It's got a Japanese flair to it. Gotta love it. Here we are in the lobby of the Ruby Foos Hotel. Well, Tom, let's go to our room. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Delicious.
I'm loving it. The smell's great.
Very good.
Tom, what are you saying?
Well, I'm just starting here.
Whoa.
Nice and muscle.
Nice. What are you saying there, Moochie?
Passamon and Gumbush.
Giddy. Yes, yo, salatu.
Someone get this all up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we look like we have a packed house here tonight. It is sold out. Sold out show. Oh, Danny likes his satarash. Danny's stealing my satarash. Ooh, goody. Here we are. Show you the hall. Then right back down to the main platter. Okay, time to chow.
Johnny, after you're done eating, get a video of Charlotte's in there.
We will get them on video.
They said they wanted to be in the next video.
Yes.
We're sitting right over there.
Awesome.
So make sure you get them in it.
We will. We'll get them on tape somehow. Matane, je li bilo dobro?
Vidi Johnny.
Čista pladnja,
Još ću ja malo ovdje.
ispacne, tako.
Evo, i malo ovoga,
Malo sataraša.
sataraša. Ajde, snimi njega malo. Vidi šta je.
You're not eating now. There goes the salad, it's all gone.
Ja mislim da je sve okej.
Oh, wow.
Johnny snimi to, Johnny.
Wow.
Evo, Johnny.
Extras.
Gotta put some more cushion on.
Yeah, this is Montreal. We gotta keep warm.
The bones are too cold. You gotta
Yes.
add some more insulation.
Yeah. Thank you.
Autobus leće, žalom pod konjem se valja, a moja draga, ova suza nas sjeće, jer kraj mene tužan sam ja. 14 palca se radilo na nama, zražala su mi da me jedna. Žalom pod konjem se valjala, a moja draga, ova slika mi svijeće, jer kraj mene tužan sam ja. A nema veze što mame rastu i što sve više nema. I nema veze što nema moje drage, sa ljudom sutra nema niži ja. Nema veze što mame rastu i što sve više nema. I nema veze što nema moje drage, sa ljudom sutra nema niži ja. Sa ljudom sutra nema niži ja. Sa ljudom sutra nema niži ja.
Nek sam pijan, nek sam proklet, ja bi tebe draga opet svake noći oko ponoći. Nek sam pijan, nek sam proklet, ja bi tebe draga opet svake noći oko ponoći.
What do you think? I just feel like you want to see a bad back in action. Here it is. My back is fucked.
No pain no more.
Okay, everyone, thank you. Idemo.